Here we are again. Now this is the update on the Ultion PIC decoder that I put in a previous video. We've got two different Ultion locks here. We've got a black cam version and a red cam version. Now the keyways are ever so slightly different. So we can hold this. That gap there and that one there, that one is ever so smaller. So when you're using, let me find it, this PIC, as it came from the factory to me, won't fit in the red cam, only fits the black cam. Now what I found, let's pick this up, this little channel here, I just took a file to it and just filed it ever so slightly, just on both sides there. If we can see, just opened up that channel just a little tiny bit on both sides. Now it fits both now. So this was the black cam. It fits perfect. And this is the red cam. If we get it lined up, now it fits in. It's a little bit tighter, but it now fits in perfectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a go at picking both locks now. I don't have a vise, so it's a little bit more difficult to tension. Well, we'll see how we get on. There we go. That's now picked open, and of course we can still decode it. That one's a number 5, if we can get a better view here. That's a 2. That one's a 3. Number 3 looks like to be a 2. Number 2 is also a 2. And number 1's a number 1. So you can see we're still picked. We were. Just dropped it. Let's do that again. Now we can just rotate it the full 360 then. There we go. There we go, that's that one picked. Like I say, it is now a little bit tighter to get out. I have noticed on this one that it's a 6-pin and a 5-pin. I'm assuming because of the shorter profile. It still picks the 5-pin side normally. You just got to start on number 2. Obviously you've got one less pin to worry about there as well. There we go. A small little modification now works on both. Let's get the other one. This is obviously a 6-pin either side. We've got a little bit jammed up there. Let's just start that one again. That's a little tricky when you're not got a vise. There we go. Took a little bit longer that time. I'll pick this one a lot faster than that. So it's just awkward when you're not got a vise. There we go. A bit better. There we go. So let's just get that out. Let's just do a little quick recap. So again, on this channel here, just needs milling out, filing out. Would be a lot easier if I used a little tiny Dremel diamond wheel cutter, but I didn't have one. Just had to make do with a hand file. Took about 20 minutes, half an hour, just to file it out. Just enough so that it now actually fits in the red cam locks. And then you shouldn't have any worries then. Just makes this tool guaranteed to fit all of the Ultion 3-star diamonds. So there we go. Thank you very much.